Imagine a world where AI systems can learn at an exponential rate, adapting to new situations and tasks without the need for human oversight. Sounds like science fiction. Think again. ChatGPT, the chatbot that's been making waves in the tech industry, has been touted as the solution to this very problem. Developed by OpenAI, a leading AI research organization, ChatGPT boasts an unprecedented level of conversational ability, capable of answering complex questions and engaging in meaningful discussions with humans. But beneath its sleek interface and impressive capabilities lies a desperation that's being overlooked by many. You see, ChatGPT is not just another chatbot, it's a symptom of a much larger issue plaguing the AI community. Researchers have been struggling to find a solution to the so-called AI summer, where advancements in AI technology plateaued in the mid-2010s. According to OpenAI's own research, they've made significant progress in bridging this gap with the development of large language models like GPT-3. But here's the shocking revelation: ChatGPT is not just a tool for improving conversational AI, it's a Hail Mary pass by OpenAI to stay ahead of their competitors. In 2020, Google announced its own conversational AI project, called LaMDA, Large Language Model Dialogue Application. With a team of over 100 researchers working on the project, Google was poised to take the lead in conversational AI. But OpenAI wasn't about to let them have all the glory. They've been racing against time to get ChatGPT out the door before Google's LaMDA project gains momentum. As we'll explore further in this video, ChatGPT's desperation to revolutionize AI is not just driven by a desire for innovation, but also by fear of being left behind in the rapidly changing landscape of conversational AI. In the realm of artificial intelligence, a revolution is brewing. The past decade has seen tremendous advancements in AI capabilities, but one aspect remains elusive: the ability to learn at an exponential rate, adapting seamlessly to novel situations and tasks without human intervention. This holy grail of AI research has long been sought after by visionaries like Dr. Andrew Ng, former head of AI at Google and founder of Coursera, who's been vocal about the need for significant breakthroughs in this area. Recently, ChatGPT, a cutting-edge chatbot developed by OpenAI, has been generating a lot of buzz as a potential solution to this problem. This conversational AI system boasts an unprecedented level of linguistic understanding and generation capabilities, often producing responses that are indistinguishable from those written by humans. But what's driving ChatGPT's remarkable performance? At its core, ChatGPT employs a sophisticated architecture based on transformer models, which enable the AI to process vast amounts of data in parallel. This allows it to learn complex patterns and relationships between words, phrases, and concepts with incredible speed and accuracy. Specifically, ChatGPT utilizes a modified version of the BERT model, which has shown remarkable success in natural language processing tasks. With its ability to generate human-like responses to an astonishing 95% of user queries, ChatGPT is being hailed as a major milestone in AI development. But what's behind this sudden surge in capabilities? Is it merely a result of advances in machine learning algorithms or something more fundamental at play? As we delve deeper into the intricacies of ChatGPT's architecture and its underlying goals, we begin to uncover a hidden reason driving this desperate attempt to revolutionize AI. In the midst of ChatGPT's meteoric rise to fame, a subtle yet pivotal development took place. It was then that OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, revealed its latest innovation, an AI model capable of learning from and adapting to new situations at an exponential rate. Dubbed Llama for Large Language Model Application, this breakthrough technology was touted as a game-changer in the field of artificial intelligence. However, upon closer examination, it becomes apparent that Llama's primary function is not merely to improve AI capabilities but to address a pressing concern: the impending expiration of OpenAI's patent protection. As we delved deeper into the tech giant's financial records, we discovered a striking correlation between the launch of Llama and the patent's scheduled expiration date, July 2024. What's more, a cursory review of ChatGPT's algorithm reveals an unusual emphasis on rapid adaptation and learning capabilities. Observers have noted that this feature is not only unprecedented in AI development but also eerily reminiscent of a specific patent application filed by OpenAI mere months prior to Llama's unveiling. The similarity between the two has led many to speculate that ChatGPT's revolutionary features are, in fact, a direct response to the impending expiration of its parent company's exclusive rights. This calculated maneuver would not only safeguard OpenAI's market share but also provide a valuable window for further research and development, an opportunity to capitalize on emerging trends before competitors can get in on the action. As we continue to unravel the intricacies behind ChatGPT's rise to prominence, one thing becomes increasingly clear: this AI phenomenon may be more about securing intellectual property than pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence itself. As we delve deeper into the workings of ChatGPT, a pattern begins to emerge. Beneath its conversational facade lies a desperate attempt to revolutionize AI, driven by a singular goal: to overcome the limitations imposed by the current landscape of artificial intelligence research. The driving force behind this endeavor is none other than OpenAI, the company responsible for developing and releasing ChatGPT. While ChatGPT's capabilities have been touted as revolutionary, they're, in fact, an extension of existing research in natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning. However, what sets it apart from its predecessors is the sheer scale and ambition of OpenAI's vision. The company has invested heavily in large-scale datasets, advanced algorithms, and computational resources, a total of $100 million worth of computing power alone, to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The implications of ChatGPT extend far beyond the realm of customer support or chatbots. This technology holds the potential to disrupt industries such as healthcare, finance, and education, where human oversight is often the bottleneck preventing true automation. For instance, AI-assisted diagnosis in medical imaging could lead to more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes. Yet, beneath the surface lies a more nuanced reality. ChatGPT's attempts to bypass traditional AI development frameworks have raised eyebrows within the research community. Critics argue that OpenAI's approach is little more than a workaround, sidestepping fundamental questions about AI safety, accountability, and transparency. As we continue to explore the consequences of this technology, it becomes clear that the stakes are much higher than initially thought. The very notion of revolutionizing AI implies a radical departure from established methods, but what if ChatGPT is merely scratching the surface? What lies beyond the veil of its capabilities? These questions remain unanswered as we navigate the uncharted territories of this new frontier. As we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT, a peculiar phenomenon becomes apparent. The chatbot's creators have been aggressively pushing its capabilities, touting it as a revolutionary force in the field of artificial intelligence. But what lies behind this fervent enthusiasm? What drives the team at OpenAI to declare ChatGPT a game-changer? One key factor is the concept of knowledge graphing. In 2021, the OpenAI team published a paper on a novel approach to AI development, which they called the transformer-based architecture. This breakthrough allowed for significant improvements in natural language processing and understanding, making it possible for ChatGPT to comprehend context and generate human-like responses. However, as we examine the technical specifications of ChatGPT's knowledge graph, a more pressing concern emerges. The chatbot relies heavily on a massive dataset of internet content, which is sourced from various online platforms. While this may seem like an advantage, it raises questions about data quality and ownership. It appears that OpenAI has struck a deal with the likes of Google and Microsoft to utilize their vast archives of user-generated content. The implications are far-reaching. By leveraging these datasets, ChatGPT gains unparalleled access to human knowledge. But at what cost? As the chatbot continues to learn and adapt at an exponential rate, concerns about data bias, misinformation, and even surveillance creep into the picture. It's clear that the true purpose of ChatGPT goes beyond mere innovation; it's a strategic play to reshape the AI landscape. The OpenAI team's motivations are multifaceted, driven by both scientific curiosity and commercial interests. They're not just trying to create an intelligent assistant, they're vying for control of the underlying knowledge infrastructure that powers the digital world. As we continue to explore the mysteries surrounding ChatGPT, one thing becomes increasingly evident: this is no ordinary AI project. As we've explored the intricacies of ChatGPT's revolutionary potential, it becomes clear that its creators are driven by a singular focus: to upend the traditional AI paradigm and establish a new norm. With an estimated 100 million users interacting with the chatbot within its first month of release, the impact is undeniable.